Hi guys, tonight we are having dinner at one of the most exotic spots in Lacou Dominica. This restaurant opened recently and it has been getting amazing reviews, and I thought to myself, it's about time I visit Lacou. Do you know what Lacou means? Actually, it's a Creole-ish version of what is said in French as Lacou, which is the yard, you know, like in the Caribbean we say in the yard, you know. And I think that the vibes for this restaurant is to really create a convivial, enjoyable, open space for people to come and dine and experience fine cuisine, either in the middle of the day during your errands in Lacou or on a simple, cute dinner night like where we are right now. So tonight we are dining at Lacou. I am really excited to taste the delicacies because I've heard so many amazing things about them. I'm also excited to talk to the owners and to hear more about where they get inspirations behind their recipes, you know, how they came about to create these beautiful spots and what plans they have for Lacou in the future. Let's get started, guys. I'm hungry. Amazing food is another thing to actually see how it's done. Do you ever wonder how they make those beautiful recipes? I do, because I love the process of getting food made even more than actually eating the food. Let's go behind the scenes and see how the chefs at Lacou make some of their most amazing recipes. I hope you're looking forward to this part. Let's go.
Kitchen is if you're behind somebody, you have to say it behind you so that they know. Because if we're like moving with hot stuff, you can get right. So if you're behind somebody, the guy like this,
So Lacou is a Creole name. It comes from the French word for courtyard, la cour. So we're located in a stone historic courtyard in Dominica. Lacou is also the name for the space in between houses in the back where people congregate, people come together. This exact location used to be called Lacou Melrose House, or Lacou Melrose, because this is where the merchants came to sell fish, sell different things to the homeowners. So this was always a place where there was trade happening, there was business, and so we just thought it was the right name for it.
I think what makes Lacou different, I mean, first of all, it's a fine dining restaurant in a market where there's a bit less fine dining, but more than that, it has to do with us coming here and learning about the country and learning about the ingredients and bringing the expertise that we have in Montreal fine dining and French food to bear on the products here, and also learning from those products and being inspired to cook in new ways from those products. So it's a kind of fusion. Often people ask if it's fusion food. In a way it is, but it's more like the fusion of the learning that we've already done with the learning that we're doing here, and it's making something new, which is Lacou.
We get influenced by the ingredients in Dominica. That's our main inspiration, is what's in season, what's fresh and what's organic, what's being grown with the right methods and the right influences, and then from there we use our experiences in French, Italian cuisine, but the main focus is on the product that we get here in Dominica. Well, I used to live in Dominica when I was 3 years old, and I haven't been back in 25 years, so it just made sense to come back, open a restaurant here after years of living in Canada. I fell in love with Dominica coming back, and it just seems like the right place to be in the world.
Well, to say what one item would actually be a disservice to the entire menu, because there's the mahi, which I think people will definitely enjoy, and then there are the desserts, which I think is also one of the most enjoyable things on the menu too. And then there are all these appetizers, so come and try it all. Oh, definitely. I mean, working with Chef Sutherland, just the care and the approach to what he creates, and then sharing that with our clients, our customers that come in, and just watching them enjoy not only like the taste, but how it's presented, what's visually there, then also the garnishes and the aromas that come from those garnishes. I think those are all the things I think I've gained just working here with him. Definitely, if you are creative and you enjoy food beyond it just being for fuel, and you enjoy tastes and flavors and combining and experiencing new creations of your own or borrowing creations of other places, I think definitely it's something that you should try. You know, learn to cook. You know, if you can cook, you can cook your life.
Alright guys, this is the end of the Lacou adventure. I must say, for a restaurant based here in Dominica that provides a different kind of culinary experience, I was very surprised, and actually pleasantly surprised, because every single thing that I tasted felt like something that I have never tasted before. Even the pasta, you know, it was a different type of pasta, but it was also cooked in a different way. Every little dish that we ate here was unique in its own way. The spices, the sauces, you know, the right temperature. I absolutely love every single thing that I had here. Now, obviously, you can argue about tastes and colors, and we're always going to have different experiences when we eat and so forth. But if you are looking for a different culinary experience, if you are looking for a different dinner spot, or somewhere you can chill and hang out in the afternoon, maybe on a Friday or Saturday, or a girls' night out, a date night with your boo, whoever your boo is, you know, or a parent's dinner and so forth. I hope you enjoyed this experience. Make sure you subscribe for more videos about things to do in Dominica and around the world, and let me know what your favorite part of this experience was.